Hello. They've been pea fishing and so far poor Pawn hasn't been able to figure it out yet, but Bambi's got pretty much everything. And then Pawn just tries to steal whatever Bambi has. Bambi. Going fishing? Yeah. Come on. Babe, stop scaring them. I'm trying to record them fishing and you come in and mess it up. See, Pawn's still too afraid of the water to do this, but Bambi's figured out that the water has tasty things. Come on, almost there. Okay, you're all wet, pet. Almost. There. Where are you? Pawn, Pawn. Up here. Here's a good Pawn. Okay, go ahead. Give it a go. No.